this Frigidaire door latch come open. Just want to make a quick video. First time me doing it, but maybe it can help somebody out. But I'm assuming this interest goes in here. And let me show you what it is. Push that up. Come off accidentally. This is only right. Let's see what I can do. So I need this pretty much in that angle there. Just need to be lifted up. Pretty much just took the wrench. The wrench doesn't go. I was using 18. And what it is real hard to get it. If you use your hand, it's kind of hard. And what you want to do is flip this. Flip that back in that groove. Catches it. So when you put it back in these notches, and then when you fold it upright, see right now it ain't allow you to take the safety off to go over this, and that's all it did. It came out the little bracket. Yeah, so what I done was, like I say, use a wrench, bring this all the way back because it's real, got a spring in it, and it's real hard. And what you want to do is put this lever into there, and that's it. You put the door back on, just like that. Now when you open it, let's see. It brings the tension off this, same as this. Now you can put it back like that, same as that. Now the door is only secure. And that's the only thing happened is accidentally came out the whole groove, and you just had to put it back. Yeah.